Hello and welcome back to Shadowing English Room. I'm Jack, and today I want to talk to you about something bigger than English, something deeper, something life-changing. It is time to change your life for good. Not tomorrow, not next month, not one day. Today. Your new life begins now. And I will guide you slowly, clearly, gently, so you can shadow me, repeat after me, and feel every idea sink into your mind and into your future. Take a breath, relax, open your mind. Let's begin. Most people want to change their lives, but they wait. They wait for motivation, they wait for confidence, they wait for the right moment. But the right moment is never tomorrow. The right moment is always now. Repeat after me. The right moment is now. Again, the right moment is now. Now, today I will teach you a unique, real, powerful technique that can change your life permanently. The 1% Daily Upgrade Technique. This technique is simple. It doesn't require willpower. It doesn't require motivation. It only requires small steps. Tiny steps. Daily steps. Steps you can do even when you're tired, even when you're busy, even when you don't believe in yourself. Repeat. Small steps can change my life. Again. Small steps can change my life. Good. Now, let me explain the truth. Big changes don't come from big actions. Big changes come from small actions repeated every day. If you grow 1% every day, after 1 year, you are not 365% better. You are 3,800% better. That is the power of small, consistent actions. That is the 1% daily upgrade. Repeat after me. 1% every day. Again, 1% every day. Now, let me show you how this technique works. Every day, you choose one tiny upgrade. Just one. Something so small you can't fail. For example, today I will listen to English for 5 minutes. Today I will read 1 page. Today I will shadow for 3 minutes. Today I will organize my desk. Today I will walk for 5 minutes. Today I will drink 1 extra glass of water. Today I will speak 1 sentence in English. Tiny, simple. Achievable. This is not about perfection. This is not about pressure. This is about creating momentum, movement, direction. Repeat after me. I only need 1 small step. Again, I only need 1 small step. Now, imagine this. Imagine doing 1 tiny upgrade every day. Just 1. Not 10, not 20, just 1. After 1 week, you feel different. After 1 month, you look different. After 6 months, you are different. After 1 year, your life is unrecognizable. Not from huge change, but from many small ones. Repeat. Small upgrades make big change. Again. Small upgrades make big change. Now, let's talk about something important. Fear. Many people don't change their life because they are afraid. Afraid of failing. Afraid of looking stupid. Afraid of making mistakes. Afraid of judgment. But fear is not the enemy. Fear is information. Fear tells you where to grow. Repeat after me. Fear shows me where to grow. Again, fear shows me where to grow. Now I want you to imagine something powerful. Imagine the version of you who does a tiny upgrade every day. Imagine the version of you who doesn't stop, who doesn't quit, who doesn't wait for motivation. A version of you who grows quietly, slowly, but consistently. That person is strong. That person is confident. That person is unstoppable. Repeat. I am becoming unstoppable. Again, I am becoming unstoppable. Now let's build your first 1% upgrade, the 1-minute momentum ritual. Every morning, you do something for 1 minute, just 60 seconds. This trains your brain to move. Shadow me. I take 1 minute for myself. Again, I take 1 minute for myself. During this minute, you do one action, one shadowing sentence, one page of reading, one calm breath, one journal line, one English practice. Just one. Why? Because movement creates motivation, not the other way around. Repeat. Movement creates motivation. Again, movement creates motivation. Now let me practice an advanced mindset upgrade. Shadow me. I don't need to change everything. Again, I don't need to change everything. I only need to change one thing today. Again, I only need to change one thing today. That is how you transform your life. Now I will guide you through a short visualization. Just follow my voice. Imagine waking up tomorrow. You feel slightly better, 1% better. You do your one tiny upgrade. You feel proud. You feel calm. You feel in control. The next day, you add another 1%, then another, then another. Now imagine yourself 90 days later. You feel lighter, stronger, more confident, more fluent, more alive. Now repeat. I am changing my life. Again, I am changing my life. Your new life doesn't start with a big decision. It starts with a tiny action. One small upgrade. One small promise. One small step. Now let's shadow some high-energy affirmations. I am capable of growth. Again, I am capable of growth. I can change my life. Again, I can change my life. I choose progress today. Again, I choose progress today. I deserve a better life. Again, I deserve a better life. Good. Now I want to teach you the second part of the technique, the evening reflection sentence. Every night, before sleeping, you say one sentence. What did I upgrade today? It can be tiny, it can be small, it can be easy, but it must exist. Repeat after me. What did I upgrade today? Again, what did I upgrade today? This sentence activates your brain. It tells your mind, I am a person who grows. I am a person who improves. I am a person who changes. Now repeat. I am a person who grows. Again. I am a person who grows. Beautiful. Now I want you to shadow some life-changing mindsets. I am responsible for my future. Again. I am responsible for my future. I create my own progress. Again, I create my own progress. I always can choose the next step. Again, I always can choose the next step. Your life begins to change the moment you decide to take small steps, consistently and patiently. You've been waiting to change your life. Now is the time. Not next year, not one day. Now. Repeat. Now is my time. Again. Now is my time. Your transformation has already started. Right here. Right now. With these words. With your voice. With your commitment. And remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You only need a small step every day.
Thank you for joining me today. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you believe. You are becoming your future self. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next episode of Shadowing English Room.